We want to leave the maximum footprint on people and the minimum on the planet. Like all industrial processes, the manufacturing of our surfaces generates environmental impact using resources and raw materials, energy consumption and waste generation. Our goal is to lessen this impact, aiming to be more responsible and sustainable every day. To achieve this, we have improved energy efficiencies in our factories, reducing the consumption of raw materials and water, and created a plan to minimize waste generation. We are also working to give waste a second life. We have been moving in this direction for a long time, and although we still have a long way to go, we have managed to create a tangible product from this waste. All these improvements have a positive impact on the planet, on the communities in which we operate, and on the nearly 6,000 people that make up Cosentino Group worldwide.